Hey there, I'm Steven, and I want to tell you about a Parks and Recreation program that will help increase awareness for pollinators, wildlife habitat, and native plants. Our program is called Pollinator Pitstops, and we want to encourage you to plant those gardens that are beneficial to pollinators and increase their habitat. And it's free for you to join. The city of Waynesboro has been making efforts to increase pollinator habitat by choosing native plants for the Ridgeview Park biofilters in the parking lot, creating native meadows in Sunset Park and North Park, reevaluating our mowing schedule in areas of Basic Park and Coiner Springs Park, and the creation of the South River Preserve downtown. So if you have a garden, which can be any size from a single pot to your entire property, and you grow at least 3 native plant species, you reduce the use of pesticides and conserve water, then we invite you to register online to be designated as a pollinator pit stop. And we will give you this sign to display in your garden to let everyone know that you care about pollinators. So go online, register your pollinator pit stop, and show off your garden.